Torotoro tinana is for everybody, no matter age, size, ethnicity. It's a moving meditation where you dedicate time to just be with your body. And that's what the yoga practice emphasizes. That in itself, like having the confidence to do that, really just shows like how much I'm able to be more comfortable in my body and allow my body to be with other bodies and not feel like I have to hide. Ko maunga piko te maunga, ko pārenga te awa, ko kurohu po te waka, ko ngā pui te iwi, ko Christine toku ingoa. We're going to begin on all fours, palms and knees on the ground, widen the fingertips, toes untucked, ka pene. This tūranga tua iwi represents our backbone. So, hākina. Draw the lower belly towards the ground, chest lifts. Hāputa, rounding the spine, chin to chest. Anō, whai mai, hākina. Thinking about your tipuna and how they're like your tua iwi. Hāputa, rounding the spine, chin to chest. Ko tēnei te mutunga, last one, hākina. Hāputa. Hoki atu kia Torotoro. Hākina, kicking the right foot back, left arm extends forward. Hāputa, rounding the spine, elbow knee come inward. Anō, hākina. Thinking about your Aotearoa Mānawa. Could be someone you look up to. Hāputa, rounding the spine, bring your tinana in and awhi them. Hākina. Hāputa. Hoki atu tō tinana, kia taurotoro. Anō, other side. Kicking the left foot back, right arm extends forward. Hāputa. Hākina. If Aotearoa Mānawa are your strength, hāputa. Next, we're going to bring our big toes to touch. Might want to take your knees, your puna wider, and move towards the heels. Extending the arms out, or palm stack as support for your head. Releasing the forehead to papatuanuku. And here we're just going to connect to our breath. Auha. This tūranga represents our hononga to papa, so connecting back to her. Hākina, hongi kia papa. And hāputa, tukua, relax. Ka pai. When you're ready, pushing back up onto all fours, kia Torotoro. Whai mai koutou. Nuku ki te taha matau, bumping the hips to the right, looking past your left shoulder. Good side stretch here. And hoki ki mua, moving back to center. Anō, other side. Taha maui, te tiro ki muri. Acknowledging the past and those who have come before us. And hoki ki mua, remembering we are always moving forward. Kawae hoki whakamuri, me anga whakamua. Ka pai. When you're ready, curling or tucking your matiwai, feel stretch in the waiwai, taking the arms wider here. Neke o hopi ki te rangi nui, granting down through your ringa, generously bend your puna here. Option to pero at the waiwai. Channeling your mana tane. Channeling your mana wahine as you find a sense of stability and a sense of ease. Tēnei te mutunga, last breath. Now start to walk your ringa towards your waiwai. Whakawhenua o wawe ki papa. Mihi back to her and the stability she gives us. Whakapiko o puna, and on the inhale, slowly come up into standing. Tu tō tika. And haputa. Release. Toro o ringa ringa ki te ranginui. Coming up onto your tiptoes. If you fall, kei te pai. And haputa. Releasing. Now start to travel to the top of your mat. Whakawhenua o waiwe ki papa anō. Whakapiko o puna. Hākina taking both arms towards ranginui. Haputa, left fingertips forward, right fingertips come behind. Gentle twist there in the spine. Coming back to your breath, your ha. Bring your arms back in, taking them up towards rangi. Anō, other side, haputa, taking your right fingertips forward. Left fingertips come behind. Finding your breath, your ha. Taking the arms back to rangi. And releasing them. Option, you can shake it out here. And kua tai te wā. When you're ready, taking both arms behind, fingertips interlace, draw the shoulder blades together. Hākina, hua kina tu poho. And here, let's mihi to everyone we've mentioned. Tuku o mihi ki a rātou. Me a rātou tautoko. And tukua, release, crossing the arms to give yourself a gentle awhi. Big mihi to yourself here for being a part of this practice and dedicating this time to be with your tinana. Ki runga no atu koutou. And when you're ready, taking the time to come out of the shape, to come back into the space. We're at Kiwi Esplanade, Mangere Bridge, an old boat ramp that we used to come when we were little. My dad used to take us here to fish. Didn't like it at first, but then once we caught the fish, that was fun. Yeah, we would come out here, eat, get some kai, some from the moana, and then walk up the road where my auntie used to stay and just hang out there.
When you started this journey and you said you're going to Atawhai and saw what you've done with the yoga and all that, and I've taken it to work. I always thought that, geez, I wonder if we can get these guys to start doing yoga in the morning.
You told me that.
Because they're frustrated and all they need to do is calm down.
I got really depressed and suicidal and stuff, and I felt like I had no one to talk to. I guess we're just not taught to deal with whatever we're feeling inside. And it's not like a normal conversation to have with your family. It's more like with whakama, and it's not something talked about. It's easier to be in that space, but to bring that back to South Auckland, to our people, teach them and give them that tool so that they know they can do it.
Yeah.
It's there if they want it.
But I mean, I did it.
Yeah, you did it.
I thought it was a load of like it didn't work. And when you're a teenager, you're like, that's not for me. Because, you kind of get raised thinking yoga's for skinny people and it's only for them. I remember I told you, I was like, I'm only doing this because I'm skipping math class. And I was like, wait, never mind. I really like this. Yeah.
If I do ever go back to that space where I was a couple of years ago, I know that I'm prepared and I can get through it, and I have the support people, I have the tools. If you have to be the one to start the difficult conversations, then do that, because chances are everyone else in the room could feel the same way.